Today we are doing green beans and mince, and I'm going through the ingredients first. Green beans, I trimmed it and washed it. Pepper, salt, garlic, red pepper, spring onion, chicken powder, white pepper, soy sauce, 1 egg. We love that brand. And mince, that's a pork. You can use beef or any mince you like, or vegetarian can use your own version. And a glass of wine for the chef. Green beans in the pan, kettle of boiled water, gas on for 4 minutes precisely. Actually, it doesn't matter if it's 5 minutes but 4 minutes is perfect. While that's cooking, let's prep the mince. We need pepper, salt, chicken powder, a spoonful, and white pepper. Light soy, just a drop, and 1 egg. And just mix that really well. Sorry, I was joking just now about 4 minutes for the cooking time as a joke, because Chinese cooking isn't about precision, it's about knowing what you like, or knowing what the people you're cooking for like. Recently we had a dinner party, and we cooked something that we really love, and everything was crunchy, was nice, but one of the guests said, I wish you cooked a little bit more. So, you know, it's always about, people would say, why you didn't give us how many spoons of soy sauce or whatever you like. It doesn't matter, because the recipe is suited for who you are cooking for, so just readjust it. And the more you cook, the more you will know how much you need. So this is just a general guidance, that's all. So use whatever you need, and that's it. Right, that's done. Just going to drain that. You see the pan gets dry quite quickly, so pour that back to the pan for it to dry with it. And we will dry fry that first before we add any oil. Just going to chop this up. cut them in long, sort of like a green bean like shape, because everything will be unified then. Turn the gas back on. Just going to dehydrate the beans a little bit with the help of a little bit of salt. This will take about 2 minutes until you see some of the beans start turning the color to a bit of a brown. This is nearly ready, so I'm going to place that on the plate. The white cast here, just salt, so don't worry. Right, now add oil. I'm using groundnut oil. You can use whatever oil you want, but not olive oil. Okay. Just cover the pan. So I'm going to very quickly just get the salt melting up. Hot. That's a pork mixture. Wow, it's quite big, the bowl. Gently fry that. Well, not so gentle, but fry that as fast as you can. So that's after about 2 minutes, the mince is nearly ready. If you are vegetarian or can't eat pork, you can substitute that with any other mince you like. So I'm going to turn up the heat now. I'm going to add the peppers, garlic and onions all in one go. Add a little bit of soy sauce as you like. This won't take more than a minute because everything else is cooked. Now I'm going to add the green beans. Just mix really well. And if you like heat, you can add some chilies. But for today, we just stick with peppers. And that's done. Turn off the heat. If you like chilies,
sacrilegious chili.
this is a chance to add chilies.
What that is we're both looking at the chili wanting to pick it up, you see, because
The dog would eat it.
dog's gonna eat it. We're both clean freaks, so anyway.
Right, season to taste. Taste it. So if you need more soy sauce, add more. If you need more chicken powder, add more. But otherwise, it's fine. So there's no science. Taste as how you like it. Start with less seasoning. You can always add on, but you can't take out. So I'm going to plate it now.